Our cleaning and restoration series focuses mainly on after-flooding water removal needs. This series includes great performing and energy-saving dehumidifiers, air movers, air scrubbers, and accessories. These are
Storm Pro, Storm LGR Extreme, Storm Elite, Storm Ultra.
AlorAir can supply a satisfactory warranty that ensures customers' benefits and rights. For the evaporator, condenser and compressor, and electronic components, we provide a 3 to 5 year quality warranty. In America and European countries, we can supply home delivery and same-day delivery service. Dehumidifiers in this series are widely used for restoration and cleaning after water damage. These dehumidifiers have a waterproof PCB cover for the circuit board. You can sink the unit in water as a rubber strip makes the circuit board 100% sealed. It is a great feature in cases of flooding and excellent for cleaning and restoration water removal jobs. The unit removes up to 125 pints of water per day at AHAM from wet carpets and curtains, damp walls, clammy floors, and all other moisture-damaged surfaces after floods. It can save space in very limited spaces in trucks with its collapsible function for short or long distance transport. Prominent features and functions of cleaning and restoration series. There's a rigid handle for easy transport. The quick releases allow the housing to open easily. This offers instant access to the mechanism for maintenance and repair. High capacity with Super COP. 3A package standard, anti-crush package. After sale service is guaranteed, as we have a factory in the United States. Color customization, logo customization, home delivery service. Most American and European countries can have same-day goods dispatch after orders are placed.